Alright, so I have the controller hooked up. One thing I don't understand is why it changed to a orange light, but I can now select I can look at this app and then select VR nav, and then it loads up this. I know I got this window set up here. I don't want to use that, but if I go to show immersive space, and then I have to close it. So now it's sort of working. It's moving the scene. Looks like there's a pass through here where my controller is at. You can see that it's going in the opposite direction. I want it to go, like, when I push this direction, it goes this way, and I push this direction, it goes this way. But because it's reversed, because I can't move a camera, it's actually moving the scene. So I'm going to have to ask ChatGPT to reverse the code. But also, the issue with the rotation is it's not going in the right direction, and also it seems to do it only on the, if I go off axis, you can see how it's rotating off at different points. It's rotating from maybe the center. I don't get it. So it's sort of working, but it's got a long way to go. Of course, if I could just move a freaking camera around like a normal game engine, it would be working no problem. But now I got to do all the ass backward type where I have to move the scene. And you can see here, it's very stuttery. It's I'm holding this down, but it's not updating. I don't even know if this is if the ChatGPT even gave me the right, update the code, tick, whatever you want to call it. This is so frustrating. I could just set this up in Unreal Engine in 5 minutes, and then oh yeah, it all just works. But with this, it's something's kind of working, but I'm moving the scene. There's no collision detection. I'm just I'm out in the middle of the space. At least I'm not actually falling down in space, but it's I have to remember I'm going backwards here. Come on, can I get back inside here? So it's sort of doing it, but it's I don't know why it won't do it continuously. It's all jittery. I don't know how to fix that. And then the rotation is off. Ideally, what I love to do is try to get Half-Life Alyx style navigation where I can pull back on the stick and have a snap teleport. And this is all just so I can make some scenes and move around them. So I'm not limited to actually standing up and wanting to move in a VR space, right? If I try to stand up here, oh, guess what? The immersion is broken. So it's why even bother having VR? Because I can't move. Anyhow, it's sort of working. I don't know. It would be nice if I can actually kind of get something to work so I can actually sandbox some experiences. But I tried to make this a scale, so if I kind of try to get close to this dude. This was actually an Unreal Engine mannequin. So I can't even I'm having an issue just trying to get to where I want to go because everything's backwards. Come on. I can't even travel to where I want to travel. God, Apple, why do you have to make it so hard? Why can't we just have stuff that works for developers who are not programmers, but 3D artists who know how to do this shit and just want to make some cool stuff and get it to work? And I gotta waste 3.5 days to oh, guess what? You're not allowed to actually move a camera. You gotta move the scene. So I gotta do it all backwards. Good Lord, what a joke. Anyhow, I'm trying to do it natively. Trying to jump through the Apple hoops, but we'll see. I like to try to get some shadows working. I gotta add a sigh box in here. I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of encouraged, but I'm also kind of just really frustrated because I just felt like I wasted 3 days in circles with ChatGPT trying to get this to work. Alright, well, enough of this. Let me see if I can get it to actually figure out why this is all stuttery. Alright, and maybe I have to try to see if I can invert the mappings. Alright.